The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 launch is finally upon us, and we've got the full specs, the design, and the pricing. So first up, we had the official marketing renders leaked for the new S Pen case, and to be fair, they do look incredible. Now unfortunately, I can't show the images on my video as it results in Samsung taking the video down, but for those of you that do use the S Pen, it's the next best thing to having it inside the phone. Now we've also got the reservation page still open where you can reserve for free just by putting in your name and email address, and you'll also get $50 in free credit. So if you're even considering the Z Fold 5, then you should go and reserve by clicking the link in the description. Next up, we've got the storage variants and the color options leaked, and the Fold 5 is coming in Phantom Black, Cream or Icy Blue, and you're also going to have a choice of 256, 512 or 1TB storage, and there's also going to be Samsung exclusive colors available, but this is only through Samsung's online store. While the design remains similar to the Fold 4, the Fold 5 now folds completely flat thanks to the new hinge, and again, while I can't show you the leaked marketing renders, they confirm that the Z Fold 5 looks exactly the same as my renders here, and the only change is a slight modification to the camera module on the rear. While it looks the same though, Ice Universe points out that it's in fact 16% thinner than the Fold 4. While it is an improvement, there are still many folds out there that are thinner. Of course, we're also getting an improved display that's more durable than its predecessor, and this is partially helped by the new hinge mechanism, and despite earlier rumors of IP68 water and dust resistant, it will in fact only be IPX8. We also had many reports of a cheaper fold this time around, and these unfortunately do look to be false, and it's now thought we're going to see a $100 price increase, and this is going to make it start from around $1,900. Now to be fair, there are plenty of improvements like the display, the hinge, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so for anyone looking for a fold, then it's definitely going to be a good one to consider, but for anyone with a Fold 4, it's probably not going to warrant an upgrade. Now while we know everything about the device already, I'm still hoping that Samsung do have some surprises in store for us at launch, and of course, if anything else comes up in the meantime, I'm going to be sharing it straight away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.